Hi, it's Miss Ramsey. We're going to do a bar models problem together. And the bar models are the ones that look like, let me just flip it around, I'll show you. Like this. It was bar models, real world problems and patterns in addition and subtraction part 6. It's a really long title. Okay, I wanted to show you just an example of how to do one of these problems. And I'm going to be honest with you, I don't really use the bar model. Like, I don't draw out little strips and put numbers on them when I do math. It's just a tool. A lot of these types of things are just a suggestion for people who may not, know how to do it otherwise. And so let me just show you how to go through this problem. It says, question 1, Sue had 48 ribbons at first. Her mother gave her 65 ribbons, and her friend Kim gave her 89 ribbons. Now Sue has 62 more ribbons than her mother and 35 fewer than Kim. The actual problem, the question, is below this. It says, how many ribbons did Sue's mother and Kim have at first? Okay, well, let's start with Sue. Sue has 48 to start with. Her mom gives her 65, so we're going to add 65 to it. Her friend Kim gave her 89 ribbons. These people are ribbon rich. This is a good practice for column addition. Make sure when you're doing your column addition, you line up the ones and tens column. So all the ones numbers will go together like this. And if it's more than 10, you're going to regroup. Okay, and then all of your tens column numbers will be together, like in a row, a column, okay? So I'm gonna say 8 plus 5 is 13, plus 9 is 22. I'm gonna put my 2, and then I'm going to carry my other 2. And then I'm going to group up. I've got 2 sets that make 10, so that's pretty handy. I've got 4 and 6 make 10. And 2 and 8 make 10. So 10 and 10 is 20. So lucky old Sue, she ended up with 202 ribbons. Good job. Okay. And then it says, now Sue has 62 more ribbons than her poor old mom. Moms always give away too many ribbons. So we're going to take 202 minus 62. Let's do that one first. On this one, I'm gonna have to borrow, not at first. I lined it up really well. I've got my ones, my tens, and then the hundreds. 2 minus 2 is 0, so I got that one no problem. But when I'm borrowing across a 0, when I have a 0 here, I'm gonna have to go over here, and I'm going to have to borrow and make this into a 10, okay? So I'm gonna take 1 away from that 2 in the hundred spot, make it a 1, and then I'm gonna make the 0 into a 10. I borrowed a group of 10. Okay, so I'll have 10 minus 6 is 4, and 1 minus nothing is 1. That's what mom has now. That's what mom has right now, okay? And then to find out how much mom had, the question that we really have to answer at the end is, how many ribbons did Sue's mother and Kim have at first? Okay, we'll go back to how many did mom give away? What did mom give to her child? She gave her 65. So I'm gonna have to add that back to the 140 that she has right now before she gave them away. So I'm gonna do some addition. 140 plus 65. This is gonna give me what mom started with. So 0 and 5 is 5. 4 and 6 is 10, so don't forget to regroup. You'll put your 0 from the ones part of the 10, and you're gonna regroup it over the 1 over into the hundreds part like this, and then you'll have a 2. So mom started with 205. That's what she started with when she first woke up in the morning before her daughter came and begged, borrowed, and stole ribbons from her. Mom had 200.